Hi everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to download PDF or any other file on a button click with implementation using ASP.NET or pure JavaScript. Sometimes it's needed to implement logic or on backend or on UI, so I will show both ways to handle it. There is a simple ASP.NET Core web application which targets .NET Framework 7. I created it from the template provided by Visual Studio to save time. UI is implemented using React, the library I like the most. But this logic will work in any library or framework. Let's start this application. Here we have two buttons. On click, file downloading starts. Let's check it. Let's click on the first link. And the next button. So here we have file downloading. Logic of file downloading for the first button is implemented on backend side, and for another one on JavaScript. So you can choose the one which is the best for your case. These examples are very easy. Let's go through the code. Firstly, let's observe backend example. My file, which should be downloaded, is placed to 3W root folder. If it is located in database, you should retrieve byte array of file content. I will also show what to do in this case. For my case, as I located it in root folder, I should enable static files feature in program file. Here I edit these static files without any configuration options, but we can also apply some options like add authorization or change folder to get files from. Then I edit users controller, which is derived from controller base class. This controller consists of only one method to get our file. Here I retrieve file path and then return file using method from base class. It has a lot of overloads, and I used the one which is suitable for my case. It accepts file stream, which I create using method openRead from system class file. Second parameter is content type, and the last one is file name user will be loading. I want to pay your attention on the method description. The file stream parameter is disposed after the response is sent. Here we open file stream and we don't need to handle its closing. It is implemented out of the box. In case we store our file in database, we will use another overload of this method like this one. So we need to retrieve content of the file as byte array from database. Now let's check code on UI. Here is the code of first button. It is referred to the API root of our method in controller. This API root is user's tutorial. Let's check it. Here I have pattern to get controller name. So it will take users lowercase and then HTTP GET method with root next part tutorial. When we combine these words, we will create path users tutorial, and we also need to configure routing in program file. Another example for second button is also very short. I edit resources folder on UI and put file there. Here we have this link HTML tag with hyperreference attribute sets this value imported from the place it is stored, and it has download attribute to set file name user will be loaded. PDF files can be read by any browser, so I can also specify a file path to the file and then can see its content directly in browser. Let me remove this attribute here and save this file, and then click download button. The file was opened in browser. That's it. As you can see, there is nothing complicated here. Thank you for watching this video. If it was useful, please like it. Bye.